Okay, so thank you for opening this video. You're still with me. I'm going to get right to it. You're still here for one reason. You're serious about changing your body and your symptoms, but not just temporarily. You've probably done that. You want to uproot the virtual mind viruses that are robbing you from being satisfied with your body, living a pain-free life, and feeling a sense of deep connection to your friends, your loved ones, and more importantly, your Creator. This program is called The Restored Body. The Restored Body is only 45 days long. It's 45 days of direct contact and work with me. I'm going to walk you through this thing. We're going to accurately and boldly go after those problems, those roots, those virtual mind viruses. We're going to dive deep into your unconscious behaviors in the mind, the body, and the spirit. This program will be safe and it will be effective. I'm going to be right there with you, connecting with you every day for 45 days. I'm not just going to give you a binder and tell you to read the manual. It doesn't matter if you're sitting across from me at a table in a coffee shop, if you're in my office, or if you're on the other side of the world. There's no good reason that I'm not going to be right there with you. We have too much technology. We're going to interpret and correct the problems in your body. At the end of the 45 days, you'll have gotten to the root of your physical symptoms, your mental frustrations, and your spiritual disconnections. We're going to dig up any roots that cannot be saved and plant new seeds in their place. By the time you're done, your hormone system, your detoxification system, and your digestive system will be performing at a healthier level than it has in years. You'll be sleeping deeper, and I'll bet you anything that you're going to be more connected to your loved ones, your friends, and your Creator. Those relationships will be stronger than ever. I cannot guarantee your results by law. I'm not a counselor, I'm not a medical doctor, but I can guarantee your satisfaction. For any reason, if you're not satisfied with my efforts or this program, I'm going to refund you your money without any hassles or any judgments. I really want to see you get to where you long to be. Let's pull you out of the matrix of bad information and plug you into your higher self. Would that be okay? That's it. Below this video, you're going to see some information on logistics like costs and requirements of the Restored Body. There is an application process because I can't take everybody. To keep this personal, I'm only going to accept a handful of people for this program, and I really want to make sure you're going to thrive and you're going to do well. If I feel the timing isn't right for you, no worries. We'll simply tell you what needs to be tweaked, and then I'll happily invite you back into the next one. Thanks again for your time. God bless you. I really look forward to seeing you accomplish more in the next 45 days than most people will accomplish in years of dieting and training and therapies. Thanks again for being here today. God bless you, and I look forward to working with you. Bye-bye.